Did you know the sun makes a sound, but we can't hear it? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the mystery behind this cosmic symphony. The sun's surface is teeming with waves and vibrations. These waves create a hum, a musical note in space. However, space is a vacuum, and sound waves need a medium to travel. So, we can't actually hear these solar sounds on Earth. Scientists use special instruments to capture these vibrations. They convert the data into audio we can hear. This helps us study the sun's activity and predict solar storms. Isn't it fascinating how science helps us hear the unheard? Hit the like button if you found this useful. And subscribe for more amazing science facts.